Flash Gordon, and today I will be showing you how to take down a beehive with this, the pressure washer. Now I got myself a 40-40. If you do this trick, you want to have a high power pressure washer, or else it just won't work right. You simply take the tip off, and it turns into a squirt gun. Now most people on YouTube do not know this, and that's why I'm making this video today. Here we have our beehive, Exhibit A. With this trick, you can stand at a far distance and still take down the beehive. The squirt initially knocks them out in a concussion, but with a larger beehive, you might have to take a couple shots. And initially, you want to do this in the morning when their metabolism is still low. Here I go for the shot. It will not be an instant kill, but I have the situation under control. Now, once the bees have hit the ground, they do not know what happened. So then you can start killing them. And to put your tip back in, you want to make sure it's good and locked. Once you learn this trick, you can easily lose your tip. But to test fire, you test fire at the ground, make sure it's still tight. As you can see, the bees are still trying to climb up. They have no idea what happened. This is where you have to go sniper. No more beehive.